Honorable Member Sri Saptagiri Ulkaj.
Thank you, Chairman, sir, for giving me the opportunity to speak on the Epidemic Disease Amendment Bill 2020. Firstly, let me begin by saluting all our COVID warriors, which includes the doctors, nurses, medical personnel who work 24/7. It was a new situation for most of us, and including the doctors and medical personnel. And I thank the government who rightfully have brought in the bill to help protect our medical personnel. There are few suggestions in the time, are very few times. So one is that we should include also the police personnel in this ambit of the bill, and they should be taken into consideration. Second, sir, when we talk about stigmatize and ostracize, and it's very good thing that we have taken all measures to prevent this from happening, but we need to understand why the people were angry, the miscreants, or what was the root cause of it. Let me tell you the example of my constituency where we have 3 COVID hospitals. We have 10 ICU ventilators, but we don't have specialists, we don't have practitioners, we don't have anesthesiologists. And if there is any comorbid cases, the doctor is nothing but helpless, and they are not even able to report deaths. The number of deaths for COVID related is so underreported. Maybe the pressure of state government or the central government, I'm not sure. But the pressure on the doctors is so much that they are not even able to face the patients. We need to do something. Like only setting up COVID hospital is not sufficient, especially in Odisha where you boast about 36 hospitals. There should be treatment also available, and the doctors should be getting the proper medicine and injection to treat the patients. So one thing on the bill, it says that when prosecuting a person for causing grievous harm to a healthcare service personnel, the court will presume that the person is guilty of the offense unless the contrary is proved. I think it's a bit harsh, just like we did on the road safety bill, like imposing thousands of rupees on fines, which boomerang on the people. I would like to say that we should take a step back and see how we can do the necessary provision by which we can prevent the thing, but asking a person to prove his, like he's not guilty is something which is too harsh for it. With this, we support the bill, and thank you, sir, giving me the opportunity. Thank you.
Honorable Member Sri Ram Mohan Naidu ji.